me. EI natin, boss, $10 na po yung current trade niya. O yan, oh. EI natin, ha, $10 na po yung current trade. Wala pa akong ginawa diyan. Instead, the EI do it for myself. So, yan po yung naging result. As of the moment, nagtitrade yan kay Euro USD at saka USD GPY. Okay, so yan po yung nakikita nyo. So again, so pangalawa, do not forget, using the SMA moving average, always use 1 hour or in 15 sa time frame. And then, if market is above on your SMA, meaning to say, bullish trend. If below naman, bearish naman po yung trend. And always look for and wait for the pullback. Nako, napaka-importante po yan, boss. So, sa pullback, price will always fall back nearer to your SMA. And then, small candle forming, it will happen, okay, doon sa malapit sa SMA po ninyo. And, yan po yung ating antayin. Now, step number 3, entry natin, boss, is if above sa SMA natin, you can trade buy. If below naman, you can trade sell. Okay, step number 4, ang stop loss natin, boss, and take profit, of course, always ninyo i-apply ang 1:5 na risk-reward ratio, and also yung tinatawag natin na 10 to 15 pips. Okay, so how to spot strong trend volatility plus trend together. Yan, paano ba natin spot yung strong na volatility plus combination of trend? Yun yung ating ano. So at least nakuha nyo na, boss, ito, ha. So combination na natin, combined with volatility and also trend. So good trend ito, boss. Kailangan ko po ito tawag nito. Wait muna, ha, baka pwede kong magamit to eh. Gamitin nga natin ito para may masulatan tayo. Okay, mag-add lang ako